Hello everyone, welcome to DYPatil, Center for Online Learning. Open the website www.dypatilonline.com. Press the Apply Now button. First form is about learners' authentication. Enter your name. Select the country. Enter your email, mobile number. Select your government ID type and upload it. Enter your birth year. Select the program. Enter your password and confirmed password. Press the Verify Details button. Enter the OTP which you have received on your mobile and email. Read all the details given in the right side blue block. Press the button Fill Admission Form. Fill your personal information form carefully. After filling all the information, press Save and Proceed button. Fill your educational and employment details and upload the documents. Press Next button, and upload your photograph and signature. Press Next. Enter the fee amount and select your payment mode. You can pay by different payment options like debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI, AMI. After payment, you need to submit your form by pressing Submit Form. You will receive a welcome email, and after confirmation from DYPatil University, you will receive your online portal ID and password. Thank you.